Thanks for joining us here in the Fox 4 Weather Center. Well, if you thought it was hot and humid, absolutely feeling very much like August. So temperatures themselves, we hit highs of 95 degrees at our three main reporting sites, but you factor in that humidity and it felt much hotter. Look at this. For Naples, it felt 18 degrees hotter than the temperature itself. That heat index rose to 113 degrees. No surprise that heat advisories were in effect for inland Collier, Glades, and Hendry once again this afternoon. For Punta Gorda, that heat index climbed to 109 degrees. And in Fort Myers, that 95-degree temperature felt more like 105. Now, as you head out this evening, still feeling more like the triple digits in Naples, still feeling more like 103. But we do have some cooler pockets out there. Fort Myers feeling more like 96 with some rain showers in the vicinity, but overall very isolated. Let's take you live right now. Let's head to downtown Fort Myers, where it is still hot and humid. We had a couple of little spotty rain showers earlier on, not seeing much in the way of accumulation though here. As we look live across the Caloosahatchee River, a little bit of cloud cover in the mix. That cloud cover is expected to linger as we head throughout the rest of this evening. Still tracking those consistent light to moderate rain showers across central and eastern Collier County, extending there into Hendry. Overall, though, not seeing nearly as much activity in our inland communities as we were this time yesterday. Also monitoring this slow-moving thunderstorm here, stretching from Northport down toward the Murdoch area and kind of tracking back toward Eljo Beach, seeing those areas of heavy rainfall, slow-moving thunderstorms, which could easily produce 1 to 2 inches in the rain gauge. Also, of course, seeing that lightning threat as well. And that little rain shower right over the Ranchettes area that continues to fizzle out at this point, just seeing some of those light sprinkles. Here over the Cape, just like that shower over the Western Cape right along Veterans Parkway has now come to an end, but to the east of Lehigh Acres, we do still have that consistent light rainfall stretching down toward the Felda area through State Route 82, and here for Immokalee, Ave Maria, Harker, and even parts of Orange Tree, we are seeing that light rainfall as well. A bit more moderate here along State Route 29, heading down toward I-75. So as you're out this evening, isolated showers and storms are forecast here at 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Mostly cloudy, mainly dry, 82 degrees. And we'll kick off tomorrow morning with mostly sunny skies and those temperatures in the upper 70s. So as we take you through that hour-by-hour timeline, by 8:30, the sun has set. Storms are going to be winding down. Still expecting some isolated activity on radar, but otherwise by 10 o'clock, showers will be starting to thin out. By midnight, mostly cloudy, mainly dry. We'll start off tomorrow morning with a bit of sunshine. Light and variable winds are forecast for the first half of the morning. Winds initially out of the northeast will become northwesterly between 5 to 10 miles per hour as we step into the afternoon. Now, after 2 p.m., because of this particular flow pattern, we'll see the chance for not only inland storms, but also storms along the coastline. So just a heads up, afternoon storms are expected for all of us, regardless of where you are. So if you want to head off to the beach, you want to head out to play, regardless of your own personal plans, doing so in the morning will prevent you from having to deal and dodge with those storms as we head into the evening hours right here around 6:30, expecting a fairly consistent line stretching from Arcadia all the way to Marco Island. So the day planner again, dry for the morning, active for the afternoon into the evening, high temperatures in the mid-90s, feeling more like the triple digits, not just tomorrow, but for the rest of the work week, even looking ahead to the weekend.